I'm Jason Woodward with ChristmasDesigners.com. Today we're at Patio's Pizza Cafe in McKinney, Texas. The restaurant owner has asked us to replace their incandescent C9 bulbs with the latest generation G30 LED retrofit bulbs. This type of lighting works great for not only cafes, restaurants, and bars, but also residential outdoor patio and porch lighting. Anywhere you want to add some ambient lighting at a relatively low cost and easy installation. Let's take a look at what is involved with this lighting system. As far as tools, all you need is going to be a ladder. We're going to use diagonal cutters. We're using needle nose pliers in order to get the staples that are currently up on the incandescent light line out. And you're going to need a staple gun. As far as materials, we're going to be using empty socket light line. We're going to be using G30 LED retrofit bulbs. We're going to be using socket caps. That's going to cap the sockets that are not in use. We're going to use a male and a female slide-on, also known as a vampire plug. And we're going to use stainless steel staples. Since this is a longer term installation, we don't want to use regular staples that rust. So make sure you're using stainless steel staples if it's going to be up more than just the holiday season. All right, we're first going to go ahead and get the C9 incandescent light line down. We're going to make sure all the staples are removed. If any staples are left, it can create rust spots and damage to the wood later. So it's important to make sure all staples are out of the wood. Once we removed all the old light line and bulbs, we want to locate our power. For this project, we have two outlets perfectly positioned near where the light line is going to be installed. Now that we located the power, we're ready to get started. We're going to put a male vampire plug on the end and plug that into the outlet. We've got a couple of sockets that we're going to need to cap because we're not going to have bulbs on it, so we're going to use socket caps on those. And then we're ready to get started on stapling our first socket. We're going to put one staple per socket. It's important to make sure every socket does receive a staple, otherwise you're going to have some bulbs that are not straight. Now that we've got the light line up, we're ready to install the bulbs. Once we reach the end of the run, we're going to terminate the cord by putting a female vampire plug. Now that the cord is installed and the bulbs are in place, we're ready to plug the line in and make sure everything works properly. All right, well, that wraps up the installation for today. We started off taking down the C9 incandescent bulbs and cord. In place of that, we put up low energy G30 LED retrofit bulbs and new cord. It's a simple, straightforward installation. The most important part is make sure you plan the job out and use top quality components and materials. For more information, visit us at ChristmasDesigners.com or check out more of our videos on YouTube.